Robot dogs are now patrolling disaster zones, guiding the visually impaired, carrying heavy loads across rocky terrain, and even interacting with wildlife in scientific experiments. In 2025, machines are not just smart, they're adaptable, resilient, and walking straight into roles which were made for humans or animals. From China's gritty Lynx M20 to Japan's hydrogen-powered robotic Horse and Switzerland's shape-shifting ANYmal, we are seeing a full-blown transformation of robotics. This isn't a tech trend, it's a huge shift. Unitry B2W, a brain on 4 legs. The Unitry B2W is a brain on 4 legs. An upgrade from the popular B2, this new model from ANYmal Robotics is a powerhouse. It uses stereo vision, LiDAR, and depth cameras to see its surroundings and adapt in real time. It doesn't just follow commands, it calculates, anticipates, and reacts. Top features include autonomous operation in darkness or bad weather, speeds up to 2.5 m/s, load capacity of 20 kg, voice, tablet, and API-based communication. Unitry B2W is programmed with default behaviors, but can also be retrained quickly. Think of it as a robotic Swiss Army knife. One minute it's patrolling a factory, the next it's cautiously mapping out dangerous terrain. Audience reactions. China's robots are evolving so fast, it's like they're preparing for something big, one viewer commented. Where this thing starts talking back, we're done, joked another. From a personal standpoint, Unitry B2W feels like a real step into the idea of robots as partners, not just tools. It's designed to understand, not just execute commands. The Lynx M20, China's robotic Terminator. Forget Boston Dynamics spot dancing to Bruno Mars. The Chinese-made Lynx M20, developed by Deep Robotics, has a more serious job. Designed for survival, not show-off, it's IP67 rated. This means it's both dust-tight and waterproof. This robot can operate in environments which are harsh to humans: heavy rain, thick smoke, rubble from collapsed buildings, or icy slopes. If it falls, it can get up easily. The Lynx M20 is already replacing humans in frontline disaster response. Search for victims. Transmit high-definition video. Navigate unstable terrains. Guide human rescuers through unstable environments. It can also be used for military purposes, industrial patrol, and cargo transport, up to 20 kilograms, all while operating autonomously for over 4 hours. That's what people are saying. This is the kind of machine we needed after earthquakes and industrial fires. I just hope governments invest in them, one commenter noted on YouTube. Honestly speaking though, the Lynx M20 feels less like a robot and more like a ground soldier. It doesn't entertain, it survives. That alone sets it apart. Alpha Dog, the Speed Demon. China's Alpha Dog, by ANYmal, leans more into multidimensionality and agility. With speeds reaching 15 km/h, it's the fastest of the bunch. But it's not just about speed. Its AI systems allow it to adapt to obstacles, recognize voice commands, and maintain perfect balance, even after a collision. It's actually marketed as a logistics bot, patrol partner, and even a robotic companion. Thanks to high-performance cameras and sensors, Alpha Dog is being tested in both urban and rural scenarios, from disaster aid to warehouse delivery. This robot's smooth gaits and dynamic balance system might also make it perfect for interaction roles, escorting people, assisting in search operations, or even simply walking alongside you like a robotic pet. I find Alpha Dog fascinating because it promises a lot of progress. It's the kind of robot that could quickly become part of our daily life. Kawasaki's Coolio, the hydrogen-powered horse. I know I mentioned this before, but Kawasaki is going in a completely different direction, quite literally. Its Corlo robotic motor horse uses a hydrogen engine and is designed for off-road mobility. It can carry a rider across mountains, meadows, and icy terrain. The horse's legs are equipped with rubber hooves that adapt to different surfaces. Porleo features. Onboard AI for balance and navigation. A dashboard for rider information, route, gravity balance, hydrogen levels. Night path projection with surface markers. Kawasaki says that this horse will probably go into production by 2050, but the prototype is already breaking records. It's not just a robotic horse, it's a transport revolution. Robots versus lions and cheetahs. In an unexpected twist, a scientific team at Tanga Zoo in Sydney tested how wild predators react to four-legged robots. A cheetah encountered one of these robots for the first time. Its instincts triggered, but its confusion was pretty obvious. It didn't know whether to chase or to just run away. The lions, on the other hand, took a different approach. They approached the robot and were cautious yet curious. One even tried to attack and then stopped, seemingly realizing this thing wasn't prey, or even predator. This kind of interaction suggests that robots could be used for behavioral studies, wildlife tracking, monitoring without disrupting ecosystems. This is Jurassic Park energy, but with robots, said one viewer. As someone fascinated by tech in the wild, this experiment is just crazy. We're now seeing the first cross-species reactions between AI machines and these predators. That's something so interesting. Magic Lab's Robot Guide Dog. Also from China, Magic Lab is now focusing on a more human-centered problem, guiding the visually impaired. Their unnamed four-legged robot can walk behind a humanoid robot, navigate city landscapes, respond to voice commands, and avoid danger in real time. I use this for helping elderly or blind people traverse cityscapes, acting as a smart guide dog, reacting faster than real animals in emergencies. As someone visually impaired, I can only hope this gets mass-produced, one person shared online. The emotional weight of this one is heavy. It's not just about robots showing off. It's about independence, dignity, and making life better. Swiss Miles, ANYmal. The Shapeshifter. Last but not least, ANYmal by Swiss Mile is half robot dog, half transformer. It can walk on legs or roll on wheels, switching seamlessly. It travels at speeds of up to 22 km/h, carries 50 kg, and even stands upright to open doors or pick up objects. With LiDAR, GPS, and cameras, it requires no external control. ANYmal is a marvel of versatility, bridging robotics and real-world usability like never before. Okay, this is definitely going to replace warehouse workers, one viewer commented. What we're watching right now isn't just cool robotics. It's a new chapter in how machines and humans interact with the physical world. Think, these robots are strong, adaptable, smart, and most critically, usable. They're coming not just to entertain, but to work alongside us, guide us, and maybe even rescue us. The question isn't whether we want these robots. It's how ready we are for them to become part of our everyday reality. So what do you think? Which robot dog impressed you the most? Lynx's grit, Alpha's speed, or ANYmal's versatility? Let me know in the comments. Stay curious and stay updated. This is just the beginning.